Now let's define what a consolidation stage is. We have already defined what an uptrend and a downtrend is and all the nuances that we have. And now we have to define what the opposite is. I mean, we neither have an uptrend nor we have a downtrend. So what do we have? If previous trend was up, then and we have the ascending trend line broken or one demand area taken out, then we have bullish consolidation. Why bullish consolidation? Because the trend was up. Okay, it was up and now it's broken. The same applies, the opposite applies to a bearish consolidation. The descending trend line was broken or one supply area is taken out. Let's take a look at the oxygen example we were looking at before when defining an uptrend and downtrend. So price rallies, okay, breaks the trend line. As soon as we have the trend line broken, and the trend line break is defined by at least one full candle, okay, OCHL candle, open, high, low, and closed underneath that trend line, this one candle, then we consider that the trend line has been broken. We don't need just a close, but a full OCHL candle. Okay, so once this candle closes there, the trend is in consolidation mode. It also happens in this particular scenario that it also took out opposing area of demand in this area. Okay, that was an area of demand right here that was taken out by this drop. So in this case we have both scenarios, but the first one, trend line broken by a one full OCHL candle. Let me edit this. Trend line broken by one candle full. Okay, there it is. So then we have a consolidation mode. So when we have consolidation, it means that we have to wait for one time frame higher than the daily in order to trade long again, a weekly area of demand. That is the realignment and sequence rules. But these videos are not talking about that. We are talking about the definition of an uptrend, downtrend, and consolidation. We have two types of consolidation, the bullish consolidation and the bearish consolidation. So the bearish consolidation, the same thing. When we are dropping, okay, like that, we connect these latest two ones, then we remove, once we remove this supply area there, then we could make the descending trend line even more aggressive. When we remove this area over here of supply on this high overshot, then we say that we are in consolidation mode on the daily. Okay, we are bouncing from a weekly area of supply demand there was covered on previous two videos. So price rallies, consolidates away, okay, and it breaks higher than the previous area of supply, right there, this high. Once we make one pip higher than that high, the daily is in consolidation mode. That's one scenario. The other scenario is that we are waiting for the trend line break. If we consider this trend line the valid one, because this was like a rally drop base drop CP, then 1, 2, 3 CPs, we could make a more aggressive one. We'll take a look later. Okay, so we could do something like that, a more aggressive trend line. Okay, after 3 CPs. So it's tricky, this one. So we could have both. Okay, it depends on how you draw a trend line. This one is tricky. So once we have let's leave it like that originally. Okay, 1, 2, 3 CPs. We have to make aggressive, yes, more aggressive, but this area over there is like too far, too wide, and then it makes the trend line look very like that. More aggressive trend line connecting the latest imbalances. So once we have one full candle closed, OCHL candle closed, fully closed above the descending trend line, like here, okay, there, three of them, or 4 maybe, then we consider that the daily is in consolidation mode. It is a bearish consolidation because it was previous trend line was down, so the down trend descending trend line is broken solidly here, and then the second definition is removing one opposing area of supply, and the high of that opposing area of supply is right there. So once we make a higher high there, we have also confirmation that the daily is got a bearish consolidation. We need to remove two opposing areas of the supply in order to make to decide that we have an uptrend or connect the latest two valleys. Okay, but that was covered in the uptrend definition video. So this is what we have. Okay, this is the definition of consolidation, the two nuances for consolidation: bullish and bearish consolidation.